Good morning, everyone. Well, we've already had one cold front move through, so today is going to be colder than yesterday. But this afternoon, another cold front is going to work over us, and that's going to keep the rain and snow chance going and also make us even colder for tomorrow. So before we talk about temperatures, let's talk about the rain and snow chance. It's good news for the morning commute. It looks completely dry across southern Wisconsin. No rain or snow to be found, but still lots of clouds out there. I don't see the rain or snow chance coming back until around 11 a.m. this morning. We'll call it isolated rain and snow showers at this point. As far as the best chance of rain and snow, that's looking like a window from about 2 o'clock this afternoon till 5 o'clock. That's when it looks like scattered rain and snow showers across the area. If you want to get technical, I think it's a little bit better chance of snow the farther west you are, and more likely to be rain the farther east you are. Notice a little bit more green showing up around the Racine-Kenosha area versus the Madison area, a little bit more blue. It could be either or, but a little bit better chance for the snow to the west, a little bit better chance of the rain to the east. And again, this scattered rain and snow shower period looks like from about 2 o'clock this afternoon to 5 o'clock. So I do have to mention for the homebound commute, notice the gap. So it's possible you might be driving home from work, but definitely want to mention the chance for rain or snow to be coming down. Now, after 5 o'clock, I do think we're going to see a decrease in the activity. And notice now that we're at 8 o'clock, it's mostly blue at this point. I do think temperatures are going to be cold enough. It won't be the rain snow mix. It'll just be snow showers. But notice not as much showing up. At this point, we're just talking about isolated snow showers and flurries. The thing is, it's going to last most of the night. But we will see it come to an end from west to east across the area. So now we're jumping ahead to 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. And by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, for the morning commute, I do think the flurries are going to be limited to the most eastern part of the area. So Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha. That's where there's still a chance of flurries for the morning commute tomorrow. And I do think even here, by 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, the flurries coming to an end. So when it's all said and done, I think most of us are going to see a tenth of an inch, a quarter of an inch of snow. We might see a few places get up to a half an inch, but that is going to be the high end. So we're not talking about a lot of snow. All right, so now let's talk about temperatures. And already today, colder than yesterday. We're looking at high temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, but unfortunately, not feeling this warm because it is going to be breezy today, gusts around 25 miles per hour. So when we hit these high temperatures this afternoon, look what it's really going to be feeling like. It's going to be feeling like the mid to upper 20s. So this is what you need to be prepared for this afternoon. Tonight, it is going to stay breezy. No change in the winds. Usually we see the winds die down at night. That's not going to happen tonight. Gusts are going to remain around 25 miles per hour. So these are our low temperatures, mainly ranging from the low 20s to the upper 20s closer to the lake. So averaging the mid 20s across the area. But the feels like temperatures going to be lower than that. So this is what you need to be prepared for very late tonight, early tomorrow morning as you're heading out the door. Friday morning, we're talking about feels like temperatures as cold as the low teens and no warmer than the upper teens, and averaging the mid-teens across the area. So for Friday, notice our high temperatures going down a little bit more because of our secondary cold front. So we're looking at highs tomorrow only in the upper 20s and low 30s, and a little bit less wind, gusts around 20 miles per hour instead of 25, but still a breezy day. So feels like temperatures tomorrow afternoon, we're only talking about the upper teens to low 20s, so feeling even colder tomorrow. Fortunately for Friday night, it looks like winds will continue to decrease, and we're just talking about a light breeze.